With some black clothing, a bit of black felt, and these pool noodles, we're going to make a spider costume. Halloween is coming, children wear costumes to school, and my son wants a spider costume. So I'm going to do it with a simple pair of leggings, a black t-shirt and noodles to be the other 4 legs of the spider. His arms and his legs are going to be the first 4. So I'm going to put them on his back and then tie them with some nylon rope, and he can take it off at some point. And then with felt I'm going to be doing the little hairs to cover the belt so you don't see it. I've measured his arms open, so I have the measurement for the noodles. They don't need to be this big. These are super useful to have around. This week we made an autumn wreath for a school project, and for his birthday I also made a Star Wars lightsaber. And because I'm going to cross them on his back, I'm going to make sort of a space so they can fit one inside the other and they're not too bulky. Is that better? And I'm also going to cut a bit the ends so they look sharper. And for the legs not to look too straight, I just cut some wedges so they sort of curve a little bit. And this I'm going to be sticking again with some American tape. This is really good because you can just do it with your hand. So if you like crafts, it's something to have at home for sure. It's easy to use, to stick, to correct if you got it wrong. So it's ideal. You see? And of course, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing because I upload a video twice a week, and that way you don't miss anything. There's lots of ideas you can adjust to your projects, and I'll leave you here my Instagram account and my Facebook as well in case you want to have a look. And of course we cannot leave this as it is. I have another pair of leggings to cover them. Why didn't I get fabric? Because I couldn't get any fabric like this, and there's a shop in another city but I couldn't go this week. So let's do it like this. It's a cheap way of doing it. I took advantage of the legging because it's already fabric folded in half, so I just traced the noodle width, and that way I had it done. I sewed the ankle bit to close it and then sew everything with a straight stitch. And now with the legs all cut, are they going really easily? Good. I'm going to just slide them in apparently. And I'm going to sew this by pulling. Yes, I can do it with the machine, and just putting the ends in. I can find my thimble. Felt is really easy to work with, to cut and to sew, and you just need a few pins to make sure it won't even move from the fabric you're sewing on, because it just acts like Velcro almost. And with a normal cotton needle, a 90-14 and a polyester or even cotton thread, you'll be okay. And then with the bits I have left from the bigger legging, I'm going to attempt a little hat so I can put some eyes on top, following the pattern of the swimming hat. So just the same, it's going to be a stretchy material, so I think it is a stretchy material, so I think it's going to be okay. It's only 3 pieces and then the bottom. Swimming caps are really easy to recreate because it's just 2 semicircles and a longer strip that goes in the middle to sew them both together, which usually is a bit wider at the ends, but it's really easy to sew, and with a zigzag stitch it's no trouble at all. This one was a bit longer and then it had a hemline, but I couldn't do that because I didn't have enough fabric, so I ended up cutting another strip of fabric to make the bottom. The camera ran out of battery and didn't record how I did the bottom bit, but you just need some strips of fabric folded in longwise and then sew it right sides together to the bottom of the hat. So when you fold it back down, it looks nice, like this. And now let's cut some eyes to sew on the hat. I'm going to be cutting just 6 because his own count as size, don't they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 porque tengo. The eyes look good, I think. I hope he likes them. And now with the belts, what I'm going to do is just to sew the thing on, and just because it's a cross, they can easily go like this. I sew them together so they don't move, and that's it. So if you have one of these nylon ones, make sure you burn the edges so it doesn't fray. So that's that. Let's see what he thinks. Oh my goodness, what's that noise? What's that noise? Ah! ¡Oh no! ¡A giant spider! ¡Una araña gigante! ¡Oh Dios mío! So this has been the project for today. For less than 20 euros you have a nice project or decoration as well for your little ones. Di adiós así con la mano. Now pretend to attack me. Ah!